Most business videos fail. They're expensive, time-consuming, and they get buried with 34 views and 0 engagement. But it's not because the video wasn't good enough. It's because the strategy behind it was broken before the camera even rolled. In this video, I'll walk you through the 5 biggest reasons business videos flop, and more importantly, how to fix them. Whether you're planning your first video or trying to get better results from the other ones you've already done, this is the blueprint. I'm Colin from Chromatic Digital Cinema. We help businesses create high-quality video content that solves real problems, like growing sales, building trust, training teams, and getting content to actually work across platforms. And after years of producing videos for brands big and small, I've seen firsthand what works and what causes a great-looking video to completely miss the mark. Let's start with the biggest one: no clear goal. Too many videos are made because we just need a video. But if you don't know exactly what you want your viewer to think, feel, or do at the end of it, it's not a marketing tool, it's just a moving picture. So ask yourself, what's the action step? What's the transformation you're offering? And what problem are you solving? Start there, then pick up the camera. Number 2, trying to say too much. Most business videos fail because they try to do too much. They become lectures instead of content. We live in a world of 15-second reels and 7-second attention spans. Yes, even in B2B. Even C-suite execs scroll Instagram. So don't overwhelm your viewer with a wall of information. Break it down. Teach 1 point per video. Deliver value in bite-sized, repeatable pieces. Your message will hit harder, and your audience will actually stick around. Number 3, ignoring trends. Now here's the nuance. You should pay attention to trends. The way people consume video is changing. Formats, pacing, even visual styles. But that doesn't mean dancing in the break room. It means adapting your content to meet modern expectations without losing your professionalism. Use faster pacing, include cutaways, motion graphics, subtitles. Lean into native formats, vertical, square, split screen, even if your content is buttoned up. Professional doesn't have to mean boring, and trend-aware doesn't have to mean tacky. Number 4, all production, no distribution. This one hurts because the production might actually be great, but no one sees it. The truth? Distribution is half the job. If you spend $5 grand making a killer brand video but never embed it on your homepage, or you post it once on LinkedIn and then call it a day, that's wasted potential. Think about where your audience actually is, and get your video there. Break it into clips, include it in email sequences, put it on your sales pages. Your content can't convert if no one sees it. Number 5, not thinking about the viewer's journey. Most videos are written from the company's perspective, not the viewer's. We want to showcase this feature. We want to highlight our team. We want to talk about our process. But your viewer only cares about one thing: how does this video help me? So instead of thinking, what do I want to say, ask, what does my audience want to hear? And what do they need to do next? When you align your message with their journey, your video starts to work. Hey, if this video is hitting home, do me a favor, click that like button and subscribe. We post practical, real-world strategies to get you better results from your video content, and we're just getting started. All right, you don't need to blow up your budget. You don't need a viral moment. You just need clarity. Know your goal, respect your viewer's time, present your message in a way that connects, and don't let your content die in a Dropbox folder. To recap, most business videos fail because they don't have a clear goal, try to say too much, ignore trends or go full cringe, rely on production but skip distribution, and forget to lead the viewer to the next step. But once you fix those things, your video becomes assets, not just expenses. If you're ready to create business video content that actually moves the needle, head over to chromaticdc.com. We'll help you design a strategy that makes every frame count. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.